So you tell me how you're changing the brakes on this. What's the first thing you do and why you do it?
First thing you do is take out this clip. Okay. See the middle pin? There's a clip right here that locks the pin.
Okay.
So that way it doesn't come out.
See, it's a small pin like this. Oh, I got you. So it just locks in that hole here?
Right.
All right. Perfect.
Right here. Just tap the pin.
Okay. You can see that. And that pin, this thing slides between, like
Between
literally
the
in,
pad.
it goes
Yeah,
in the
that-
pad too, eh?
Yes, that's
Okay.
what's hold the pad. This pin holds the pad through this spring tension. Right? You got a spring tension here. Then you just come up. Take the pin up. So you slide the pin in. You gotta push this. You have a tension, right? And take out the spin.
Yeah.
So all you do now, you just gotta try to stretch the caliper. You gotta bring it back, so you can just slide.
So you're
it.
basically using the brake pad to push the piston back in the caliper.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You just put it back slowly. Now you got a free space.
Okay. There you go. Perfect.
The reason why you changing it, to create a groove, because of the groove right here on both sides.
Okay.
Over 120 clicks. I mean, over 120
Kilometers an hour.
kilometers an hour.
Yep.
This can shake.
So when you hit the brake, there'll be a little bit of a vibration.
Yes, sir.
Right.
So yeah, you can see on both sides.
See the big grooves on both sides, yeah? So in other words, even if this was, in this video, we're doing the brake pad and the rotor. But if we're doing just the brake pad, you still have to swing up the caliper to push the pistons, because you can't push it from here.
That's true.
So now you're going to show me how to take the caliper off?
Yes.
Okay.
So you can do the caliper, use 17 socket, adapter, and extension. You can take it out, you can use a gun, or you can use a wrench. But depends. You can use the gun, you can put it on low pressure, and take out the bolts. So now, what you do first, you make sure you have a strap ready. The strap, later, I will tell you about this. This will help you later. So, you put this here. I put it on low pressure. So,
So basically you got two caliper bolts there, right? One
Yes.
upper and lower. Perfect.
so that way you can hang the caliper properly. You don't put a lot of
Pressure on the brake
pressure
line.
on the brake line.
Yeah, brake line. Get out, right.
Yeah, now take out the rotor. Sometimes just because they put a little bit of lubrication, like
Anti-seize.
anti-seize and stuff,
Yep.
the rotor is easy to come out. But sometimes, just because of
Rust and
rust
buildup.
and all of that, it doesn't come out that easy. So, but if it's easy, you just bang it one time, you can slide it out. Look at it from the back.
Yeah.
You see the groove that creates? So
That's what will give you the pulsation on the highway.
Yes, sir.
So basically, if somebody's changing this on their driveway,
Yeah.
or do it yourselfer, and you see how you bang it if your hand, it came out easy. But in this case, if it's seized, they can use a hammer or something to knock it off, because the rotor is
Yes.
garbage. If you're going to
Yes.
replace the rotor, you can give it a little bit of a tap, right?
Yeah, you just a little bit of tap all around, then it will come out easy.
Perfect.
time you bang it, the noise will change. That you will know.
Same thing.
Same thing. You don't have to put a brake cleaner to clean it anyway, because it's already come coated. So you can choose if you want to get a coated rotor or if you want to do regular, right? Put it on PC.
Just to kind of hold it in place temporarily,
Yeah.
so it doesn't rock.
Yeah.
While you put the caliper on.
Yes. It's just a little.
Until it gets more or less flush here. You get your pin.
You just like the pin, like that, and you can just twist it up, like this. One there.
And this is how it's done. Perfect.